Welcome to this guided meditation for cultivating gratitude before sleep. In this practice, we'll be focusing on the good things that happened today and expressing gratitude for all that we have in our lives. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to settle into a state of relaxation. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress from the day. As you settle into this state of relaxation, begin to reflect on your day. What were some of the good things that happened today? Maybe you had a delicious meal, had a great conversation with a friend, or completed a task that's been on your to-do list for a while. Whatever it may be, take a moment to acknowledge it and appreciate it. Now, think about what you're grateful for in your life. It could be anything from the people in your life, to your health, to the simple pleasures that bring you joy. Allow yourself to feel the warmth and gratitude in your heart as you reflect on all that you have. As you continue to focus on your breath, bring to mind the people, experiences, and things that you are grateful for. Ask yourself, what am I grateful for today? And see what arises. Continue to reflect on this question and notice the feelings of joy, appreciation, and abundance that arise within you. As we come to the end of this practice, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to cultivate gratitude and acknowledge the goodness in your life. Know that this practice can be done at any time throughout your day, and that the more you cultivate gratitude, the more abundance and joy you'll experience in your life. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Have a peaceful and restful sleep.